Hello and welcome. On behalf of Lauren and Chris, I would like to thank all of you for joining them today in this glorious celebration of love and marriage.
Meant for something more than just a small town metaphor. A metaphor. You grab the keys, I'll ride the car. We're on the way to
Lauren and Chris met each other in high school. She was so obsessed with him.
You know, they went to prom together. I think Lauren knew that night, and Kayla confirmed it, that she was gonna marry Chris. She knew. She knew.
What's the number above a 10?
What does a father really want? You just want your daughters to be safe, secure, loved, and taken care of. You hope that she picks the right kind of guy. Well, we know she picked the right kind of guy.
Chris, hands down, you've been the most consistent person in my life for the past 15 years. More than any of my family, more than anybody in my entire life.
I have the honor to be Chris's best man. Even better, to be his father. Chris is one of my best things that has ever happened to me, and there's no doubt that he has made me a better person.
Lauren and Chris have written a letter to their parents that they would like for me to read. We'd like to thank our parents, Mark and Mona, Sean and Bobby, for everything that you have done for us. Without your support, we would not be where we are today.
28 years ago, you were born, 28 and a half years ago. And you know that this is the thing that I thought of the moment you were born.
Lauren and Chris, with all their love, take each other to be husband and wife. They promise they will be each other's equal partner in a loving, honest relationship for as long as they both shall live. Chris and Lauren would now like to honor a Mexican tradition. Lauren's grandma Mema, Chris's grandma Martha, will come up with a lasso, place it on the shoulders of the couple to symbolize unity. Chris, place the ring on Lauren's finger.
I am honored this day and always to call you my wife.
Lauren, place the ring on Chris's finger.
I am honored this day and always to call you my husband.
Christopher, I couldn't ask for a brother-in-law. You balance her out so beautifully, and I couldn't picture another perfect person for her other than you.
And it's also Mexican Independence Day, as we celebrate the heritage and culture of two amazing families as they become one.
It's like Chris knew that that was it. He knew that that was it, that you were the one. If you continue to be the ultimate family man, the ultimate friend to Lauren, just like you have to all of us, there's no doubt that you will be the best husband and the best husband Lauren could ever ask for.
There are people from all over the world here tonight. There's people, of course, from the United States, from Mexico, and happy Mexican independence, so anyone has a relationship there.
You can't always be right.
first time I met Lauren, I knew that she would be a great match. She was sweet, fun-loving, high energy, and had a positive outlook on life. In that way, they complement each other very well.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss me.